Hello, all of you. A quick doubt clearing session on marginal relief. Marginal relief is a very common question, exclusively asked for 5 to 7 marks in the inter exam or in the MCQs or in the case study. Okay. So I have also asked it in the chapter wise booster exam, which you all are writing. And many of you got confused, or some of you have done it correct, but you lost the marks in steps. If it is for 5 marks, you have to follow certain steps to get the correct marginal relief. So now what is the concept? What are the steps? This video might be over in 5 to 7 minutes. If it is clear, comment below. I'm telling you now, every doubt is going to be solved in the live class. तो अगर ये clear है तो जरूर comment करो, नहीं clear है, and still if you have some doubt, like that very common doubt student were asking was about the PF, Provident Fund, RPF, how much employer is. I have already done a video for that. Okay. Now, first of all, when we start with marginal relief, ma'am, can we have marginal relief in the 115 BAC default tax regime? Yes. You should know the tax rates. Or can we have marginal relief if a person is opting out of default tax regime? Yes. How do we come to know that marginal relief is applicable? Say individuals, HUFs, if the income is up to 50 lakhs, they have to pay tax rate according to slab rate. If the income exceeds 50 lakhs to 1 crore, whatever is your tax on that, you have to pay surcharge at the rate of 10%. Listen carefully, nothing I'm writing in notebook, but explaining here. Tax is to be paid on total income. Surcharge is to be paid on tax. And education cess 4%. Health and education cess is to be paid on tax plus surcharge. Clear to all of you? So if your income exceeds 50 lakhs to 1 crore, you have to pay a surcharge. Oh, you are earning very high, no? You pay tax on tax, additional tax. Ma'am, cascading effect, yeah. But यहाँ नहीं आएगा, cascading word मत लिखो. So you are paying on income earned above 50 lakhs to 1 crore total income, not gross total income. Then on your tax, you have to pay 10% surcharge. If income is between 1 crore to 2 crore, 15% surcharge. 2 crore and 5 crore, 25% surcharge. Like that, surcharge rates are given to you. Okay? Sometimes what happens, if my income is just say 50 lakhs and 10,000, just because my income increased marginally, marginal costing में थोड़ा सा, if my income exceed 50 lakhs 10,000, I have to pay the surcharge because income exceed 50 lakhs, and sometimes the surcharge amount goes more than the income what you have earned extra. Yeah, I know as a teacher, like it is, I cannot go कि ये है ये कर लेना 5 मिनट में खत्म. Whenever if you ask a doubt, it has to be learned in depth properly. एक बार once you take extra effort, lifetime, however times they twist like Rubik, you will not get confused. So when marginal relief will come, I just earned 50 lakhs and 10,000 and I'm additionally paying 25,000 extra tax. I'm just giving random figures. That's not right. Whatever I have earned above 50 lakhs, you ले जाओ. इसको लेके जाओ. You take this 10,000. I'm not going to pay 25,000 extra tax in the form of surcharge. So there's a step method of calculation. First, I'm checking the exam question, which is a doubt for most of you. Once it is clear, I'll show you our DT compiler also. DT compiler PDF, whether you've taken coaching from me or not, you all can opt for. I'm giving the PDF in the Telegram. Just scroll up. You can take a printout, and these small questions, steps, booster notes are going to be very clear for your December 25, Jan 25 exam. ठीक है? आ जाओ. So here I'm sharing the question paper. Yeah, this whole paper we have solved in the live class only, but just taking up this question which will explain the concept of marginal relief, and after 5 minutes you will learn it also. ठीक है? आ जाओ चलो. Compute the tax liability of Kajal for 23-24. She's 40 years. You know, senior citizens 60 and above, they get the seniority benefit in the normal tax regime. Normal is when you come out of the default. Whereas her total income is 2 crore and 50,000, comprising of business income. Kajol has opted for 115 BAC. So in default tax regime, what is the basic exemption? 3 lakh. Yeah, 3 lakh to 6 lakh, 5%, 6 lakh to 9 lakh, 10%, 9 to 12, and so on. Now, let us calculate the tax on 2 crore 50,000. So, up to 3 lakh, nil. 3 lakh to 6 lakh, 5%. 6 lakh to 9 lakh. On the next 3 lakh, 10%, 30,000. On the next 3 lakh, 15% of 3 lakh, 45,000. On the next 3 lakh, 20%. And above 15 lakhs, whatever is your income, 30%. So what is your income? 2 crore 50,000. Up to 50, उसमें से minus कर दो 15 lakhs. Yeah. So you are getting 1 crore 85 lakh 50,000 as balance of income, on which 30% tax you are paying. Above 15 lakhs, whatever is the income, 30%. Ma'am, I did the same problem, but I did 2 lakh to 5 lakh and 5 lakh to why? She has opted, Kajal has opted for 115 BAC. So you have to calculate this tax. I want to repeat, 2 crore 50,000 pay. What is your tax? So up to 3 lakh nil, 3 lakh to this, like this. This is your tax. Okay. Now, if you do the total of all the tax, you are getting 57 lakh 15. Now, because income exceeded 2 crore, 2 crore to 5 crore, the rate of surcharge is 25%. So on 25% किस पे कैलकुलेट करेंगे बेटा? इनकम पे नहीं. Surcharge is always, see, this is your total income on this tax. On tax you have to calculate the surcharge. समझ में आ रहा है? And tax plus surcharge मिला के education cess. Don't calculate education cess now. Calculate education cess after marginal. ठीक है? Right. आ जाओ. Now add the surcharge, that is 25%. 25% किस पे करेंगे? टैक्स पे. 57 lakh 15,000 pay 25% surcharge. So this is your tax. Okay. What is your final tax on 2 crore 50,000? This without cess. Ma'am, why didn't you add the cess now? I didn't add the cess now because I have not yet calculated the marginal rate. So many of you are attending live now, doubt clearing. Any other doubt is there in taxation, you can ask after this. And if you comment below, I'll be really happy to see your comments. Aajao. Now, if I would have not got 50,000 extra, what would be my income? 2 crore. Can we calculate the tax on 2 crore? Same. 3 lakh nil, next 15, next 3 lakh pay 10%, next 3 lakh pay 15. So now, out of 2 crore, pick up in your calculator 2 crore. 2 crore में कितने zero है? 7 zeros लगाओ. In out of 2 crore, 15 lakh tak 20% tax you have calculated. 1 crore 85 lakhs pay 30% tax is coming to this. Now, what is your total tax? Total tax is 55 lakh 50,000 plus 60,000 plus 45,000 plus 30 plus 50. Your tax actually, maybe because I have missed this step, your tax is coming to 57 lakhs. Ma'am, now why should I pay surcharge? You have to pay surcharge because if your income is between 1 crore to 2 crore, I'm ready to pay surcharge, but I will pay 15% surcharge. I hope you are getting. For that surcharge के slab याद रहना है ना, 0 to 50 lakhs no surcharge, 50 lakhs to 1 crore 10%, 1 to 2 crore 15%, 2 to 5 crore 25%, 5 crore and above 35%. ये surcharge के rate मैं आपको अलग से DT compiler में I'll show you. But listen, I'm ready to pay surcharge because my income is 2 crore, but I'll pay 15%. Just because the income increased 2 crore 50,000, you are asking me to pay surcharge at the rate of 25%. So, abhi, what is your tax on 2 crore? 57 lakhs. Add 15% surcharge. So, can we do 57 lakhs into 115%? 65. This is tax on 2 crore 50,000. This is tax on 2 crore. How much excess tax I am paying? 5,88,700. Ma'am, this is blunder. I mean, say problem mein galti nahi. I'm just saying it as a dialogue. This is blunder. Just because I have earned excess income above 2 crore 50,000, I am ending up paying 25% surcharge instead of 15, and that is 5,88,750 tax. How much additional income I have earned? 50,000. How much additional tax I am paying? 5,88,750. That's wrong. Can I ask for a relief on excess tax above income? I am ready to pay the tax on 2 crore 6550. Uske upar whatever income I have earned na 50,000, you take it as tax. I hope you are getting. What I am asking to government is, I am not ready to pay 5,88,750 tax because I have earned 50,000 extra. I want a relief of 5,38,000. Are you getting the steps? Now, what is your tax payable? Your tax was the first one only. First one. I am giving this step. Can I give this all step? What is your step 1? Calculate tax on 2 crore 50,000. What is your step 2? Calculate the tax on 2 crore. What is excess step? 1 minus 2. That is your step 3. Step 3. What is your excess income? That is step 4. What is marginal relief? 3 minus 4. Diya hai. 3 minus 4. Fifth step. Now, what is your tax payable? Original 71. 71. 43. 750. Huh? 1 minus marginal relief. 538. 750. So what is your tax payable? 66 lakh. 66 lakh 5,000. Is this clear to all of you? Yeah? 66. I want to repeat. Your original tax is 71 lakh 43,750. You want a relief of 5 lakh. So what is your tax payable after relief? 66. On that you pay 4% cess, and this is your answer. Now tell me, is marginal relief clear or not? Of course, 5 out of 5 marks you have to get. Just allow me 2 minutes to open one more file so that I can share with all of you the booster notes. Yeah, steps you have to remember, beta. I know I'm going little more time I'm taking, but it is worth it, yes or no? Marginal relief should be your best friend. कैसे पता चलेगा? अगर taxes more than income तो marginal relief तो देना पड़ेगा. ये देखो. 1 minute. I'll share with all of you one more file. Yeah, can you see one more file? Yeah, marginal relief. Calculate tax on total income, including surcharge. Wait, 2 crore and 50,000. Now calculate the tax on 2 crore. Array, this is 1 crore, but our question is, now what is the excess tax you are paying, including surcharge? Okay. And what is the tax you are ready to pay on 2 crore? How much is the excess tax? See, tax on 2 crore 50,000, tax on 2 crore. Third step is excess tax. Fourth is excess income, just 50,000. Now I want a relief. Whatever I have earned extra, you keep. On this tax, I want relief. How much relief I want? Excess tax minus excess income. Whatever I have earned excess income, you take. But beyond that, you give me relief. Yeah, right. And then finally, whatever is the tax payable after relief, add cess. Ye dekho. How much is your income? 51 lakhs. These are all the illustrations given in the DT compiler. Yeah. What is tax payable on total income including surcharge? Above 51 lakhs पे this is old regime. Surcharge कितना आएगा? 50 लाख से इनकम क्रॉस हुआ ना, तो surcharge will come 10%. 1342 and this. What is the tax payable on 50 lakhs? 50 lakhs pay no surcharge. 13 lakhs. How much is the excess tax you are paying? You are paying excess tax 1,64,000 just because you have earned 1 lakh extra income. As excess tax minus excess income is my marginal rate. Till here, students do it correct. Now, what is your tax payable? Original 1476 on 51 lakhs. Take a relief and you pay this much tax. You are ready to pay 13 lakh 12,000 tax on 50 lakhs plus 1 lakh extra what you have earned, take as tax. Bye bye. After marginal relief, whatever tax you are paying, in that you have to add cess 4% on this amount and calculate. I hope enough. 2-3 times I have repeated. Calculate tax on 2 crore 50,000. Calculate tax on 2 crore. What is the excess tax? What is the excess income? Excess tax minus excess income I am ready to pay as tax. This difference is relief. Relief you have to give from the first step. And now what is your tax at cess? If you calculate the surcharge and all with cess, your answer will go wrong. Thank you so much for asking doubt and trusting me that I'll clear more live doubt clearing session I can take for whatever common doubts you all are getting. Anyone is having any more doubt? I'm waiting for the comments. Otherwise, we'll close. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, all of you. Keep seeing this space for more doubt clearing, either in the video form like this, where I need to share the notes, or I'm doing it just by talking to you all also. Yeah. Recently, I recorded 1 minute reel for set off of the house property losses. Commonly asked in the WhatsApp and Telegram, ma'am, house property यहाँ कितना set off होता है, old regime में कितना होता है, new regime में all is done. Okay. Thank you. Share this with more of your friends who have doubts in marginal relief. Thank you. Yeah, and like, share, and subscribe so that whenever we are going live like this, you should be knowing it, getting notified. Bye. Prepare super duper well, work hard, add that CA CMA degree in front of your name, and rock your own life. You are the co-creator, co